Okay, so I'm a little bit nervous because y'all know how I am with color. But anyway, y'all, this is what she is giving us straight out the box. I'm not washing or conditioning this hair today. I'm going to install her as is. I did do a little bit of plucking off camera, but let's just get into the details, okay? So today's hair is from Unice Hair, y'all. I'm super hyped, super nervous, okay? I do have their 13x4 reddish brown color lace frontal wig. She is 24 inches. As you guys can see, this is the construction of the wig. It comes with 3 combs in total and a pair of drawstrings at the nape. She is 150% in density and she's 24 inches and the texture is a body wave, okay? So I am placing it on the back of my hand so you guys can get a feel of what the lace is giving us. We're gonna get up close to that in a minute, all right? So y'all, look at this color though. I love the different highlights. It's giving me coppery shades going on in here, but it's like a reddish brown overall, but it's super duper pretty. This is the up close and personal view of the hairlines. I love that the knots are super duper tiny. That is what I am here for, okay? I'm not gonna bleach the knots or anything like that, but this is the overall view of the hairline. Just going in with my hot comb. Now this is virgin hair, okay? I always have my hot combs on the highest heating setting when it comes to virgin hair. So this hot comb goes up to 450 degrees and the dial I believe is 20 or 25 for one of those. I think it's 20. But anyway, y'all, that's what I have it on and I'm just gonna go ahead and hot comb that bad boy. Make sure you get the back of your head. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. Like I said, you can use scissors, you can use eyebrow razors, you can use whatever you want. I just prefer scissors because that's all I have at the moment. But as you guys can see, I am still cutting fairly close. But look at the lace, y'all. Y'all see how this lace is disappearing in my forehead. I didn't tint the lace in this particular clip yet, but I do go in and just add a little bit of tint. It's not needed. As you guys can see, it still blends in very well, but says I want this lace to be flawless, okay? I want to be seamless. I want that melt. I want all of that. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our Ebin Supreme lace spray. Okay, when y'all see me pulling this out, y'all know I'm about to be outside or doing errands or doing something that's gonna involve me, you know, being out in that heat. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray about 1 to 2 to 3 layers and I'm gonna push it back into my hairline. I use my finger. You can use a popsicle stick, you can use whatever you want. But once I push or have all the layers applied, I do go in with my blow dryer. My blow dryer is dirty, y'all. She needs to be clean, so do not come for me. But I do put my blow dryer on a cool heating setting and I am tapping it with my finger to make sure it's tacky. Once it's tacky, y'all, I stick the middle down. Now with my wigs, when it comes down to installing them, I love to have the middle section down further on my forehead than the edges. I don't know why, I just like the way that looks. So I do pull it down further towards the center of my head, and the sides I try to keep almost lined up with my exact hairline because I don't want my edges to be touching my eyebrows. I just can't stand that. As you guys can see, there is parts that did not get laid down, so I'm just going to lift up the lace and spray a little bit more spray, and then we're just going to go on with some heat or cool air again, and then we're going to press it down. You can use your comb to make sure everything is laid super duper flat as well. So before I go in and put my elastic band on, I'm going to run my hot comb through it one more time to get everything nice and laid. And this came out super good, y'all. Look at how the lace is really melted into my forehead, and that is what I'm here for, okay? So while that is melting, I'm going in to detangle the hair for the first time. Mind you, I did pluck it off camera, so I did do a little bit of detangling. Then I did get a little bit of shedding because I did pluck into the unit, but during this process I did get a little bit more shedding as well. But this color, y'all, it is super beautiful, okay? It's so beautiful. I am spraying some heat protectant on the hair to give the hair a little bit of shine. Like I said, I didn't wash or condition it or anything, but the hair wasn't dry, being as though you guys can see this is a colored unit, so it didn't feel dry or anything like that. But I do feel like Kiki used a little bit of shine to it, so the heat protectant helps with that as well. So I'm just going in with my Tymo straightener, and I'm just gonna go ahead and run this through there. I was eventually just gonna leave it straight, but I did change my mind midway through. I was like, no, we're gonna add some bomb curls to this unit because this is a colored unit and it's just gonna look too bland if I leave it straight. All right, so this is what she is giving us right here, right now. She looks freaking amazing. I am more geared to a side part today, so that's what we're gonna go in and do. I was looking around, I was like, am I gonna leave it straight? And I was like, no. So we will go in and do like a side part because that's just what I am feeling. And y'all gonna see me struggling trying to get this part, y'all. So I'm going in with a little bit of cream foundation. Now looking back at this footage, I did not even need to add it because baby, what lace? She's giving what lace? I didn't know that, but I felt like I needed it. But baby, it's given. So I'm going back in with the hot comb once more to, you know, just mold down this side part because I don't want it too thick. I did add wax on it as well so it can lay a little bit flat. Like I said, I love thick units. This is 150% density, but I don't like for my root areas to be that thick, so I do go back over it. So we're gonna get into our baby hairs. Like I said, I originally wasn't gonna do baby hairs either, but y'all already know I'm nothing without my baby hairs, so definitely had to go and add them in there. So I just did a little swoopy swoop. I am gonna add some more cream foundation to my part because sis, I need to, okay? And y'all know sometimes when you add baby hairs to colored unit, it looks weird, but for some reason, being that it's a reddish brown color, I feel like it didn't look wiggy, if that makes sense, even though I added the baby hairs. So I should have actually took out my mini flat iron and curled the curls because I feel like I'd be doing more than I have to. So if you have a mini flat iron, it's just simpler and it's easier. I guess I'm used to, you know, freehanding it, but I feel like my baby hairs wouldn't take as long if I went ahead and curled them. Now I'm just going in to make the hair even. I'm doing blunt cuts at the end of the hair, as you guys can see, and then I'm going to cut some layers into the hair. So now I'm just going in with my T3 curling iron. I'll have that listed below just in case you guys are wondering. I love this curling iron. I swear by this, y'all. It gives me the prettiest, bounciest, bodiest. That's not even a word. But y'all, it be getting my curls right. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Like I said, I didn't have time to show you guys my outfit because your girl was running late. I had to put on my outfit and go out the door. But y'all can't tell me nothing because this color right here is giving so much life, y'all. It is a pretty color. I was scared. Y'all know I'm just scared of color in general, okay? But I made my brows match with the wig, and baby, she is a pretty unit. This unit is so bomb, period. So like I said, I haven't washed or conditioned it, so this is just an install straight out of the box. I love the color. Again, that's my favorite part of the unit, the color. Okay, I didn't have problems with it tangling or shedding on me when I was out and about, y'all. She did me right. This is a 10 out of 10 in my book. So good job, Unice. I love this unit. If you guys are interested in this unit in particular, don't forget to check down in the description section below. All information and products that I used on this hair will be listed there. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.